Are you looking for the best weed pullers? Weed pullers are essential tools for gardeners who want to remove weeds with minimal bending, backstrain, and chemical intervention. A stand-up weed puller with a strong claw head can grab roots, allowing for cleaner, deeper removal and reducing regrowth. This comparison tests 5 popular models across price points from budget to premium, evaluating build quality, ergonomic design, ease of use.
Product number 1. Fiskars 4-Claw Stand-Up Weed Overview. The Fiskars 4-Claw Stand-Up Weed Puller combines a long 39-inch aluminum handle with a stainless steel 4-claw head and an easy eject mechanism. It features an integrated viewing window to visualize weeds as you extract them, and an offset handle intended to reduce wrist strain. The build emphasizes durability with sharp, corrosion-resistant steel claws and a lifetime warranty, aligning with Fiskars' reputation for ergonomic, long-lasting garden tools. Performance-wise, the tool excels in consistent root grasp and clean extractions, aided by the 4-claw head that penetrates and grips even stubborn taproots. The easy eject mechanism simplifies cleanup after pulling, which is especially convenient for longer weeding sessions. However, the lack of explicit weight details in the specification means the balance and fatigue profile depend on user strength. The 2.5-pound weight is typical for this class, which is manageable for most, but may feel heavier for very small-framed users over extended use. The viewing window is a thoughtful touch for precision, though it does slightly constrain the head's opening.
Product number 2. Wallenzy Weed Puller Overview. Wallenzy's stand-up weeder uses a 39-inch long handle with a 3-claw steel head and a foot pedal to apply leverage for uprooting weeds. It emphasizes easy stand-up operation and root-focused pulling with an all-metal stainless steel construction designed to resist bending and wear across typical garden tasks. The 3-claw design provides a mid-range compromise between grab strength and ease of use, suitable for common lawn and garden weeds, including crabgrass and dandelions. In practice, the foot pedal provides a tactile boost for soil penetration, enabling users to apply force without bending, which correlates to less strain. The tool's head size and claw geometry are well suited for moderate soil types. However, performance may vary in very rocky or compacted soils where extra leverage would help. The product claims durability with high-strength stainless steel and broad weed compatibility, but users should note soil moisture levels influence grip efficiency. As a budget-friendly option at $23.98, it presents solid value for casual gardeners. Ongoing maintenance with thorough cleaning after use is advisable to prevent any rust over time.
Product number 3. Weed Puller Tool with Lawn. Wilfix presents a highly adjustable weed puller with a 3-position handle, 36, 40, or 45 inches, a 4-claw steel head, and a quick-release weed ejector. The tool emphasizes ergonomic versatility, standing height customization, a non-slip grip, and a foot pedal for added leverage. The aluminum construction promises lightness with rust resistance, and the quick ejector improves post-pull cleanup efficiency, reducing handling of pulled weeds. In terms of performance, the 4-claw head ensures robust root engagement and deep removal, while the adjustable handle helps tailor reach to individual user height and task. The inclusion of a foot pedal adds mechanical advantage, particularly for tougher soils. User experience benefits from the low-weight aluminum design, but some users might find the ejector mechanism slightly clunky if debris collects near the latch. The combination of adjustability, lightweight build, and an integrated...
Product number 4. Papa's Tools Weed Puller Overview. This premium option features a 44-inch bamboo-handled weed puller with a heavy-duty 4-claw steel head and a dual weed eject technology system. The bamboo handle provides a distinctive natural aesthetic and solid grip, while the dual eject mechanism offers both manual and foot eject options for flexible operation. Built for comfort and durability, this tool targets serious gardeners who regularly tackle deep-rooted or stubborn weeds.
Performance-wise, the 4-claw steel head provides robust root capture, and the long 44-inch reach supports extended standing sessions with minimal bending. The dual eject system is a practical enhancement for users who want to eject weeds either by hand or foot, which can streamline workflow during long weeding sessions. A potential consideration is bamboo's sensitivity to moisture and seasonal changes. With proper care, bamboo handles can last long, but they may require periodic conditioning to prevent cracking. Overall, this is an excellent premium choice for users who value
Product number 5. Weed Puller Tool with Long Handle Overview. Nicofi offers a 60-inch long-handle weed puller with a 2-in-1 design, a 6-inch sharp tine rake head for deep soil penetration, and a sharp-edged hoe for broad area weed management and soil leveling. The tool uses a screw-locked adjustable pole that extends from 16 inches to 60 inches and features cast steel components for durability. This model emphasizes versatility, aiming to function as both a weed puller and a light garden hoe in a single package. Performance-wise, the 6-tine rake head enables aggressive weed uprooting in larger beds, while the hoe edge offers quick soil smoothing and weed cutting in a separate pass. The 60-inch reach makes it ideal for tall users or for areas where bowing is undesirable. Cast steel construction promises strength and durability, though weight and balance should be considered. At 1.83 pounds for the head assembly with a long pole, the overall heft is manageable but can become tiring during extended sessions. A potential caveat is the